Dave Ramsey tells people, cut up your credit card. Well, I'm telling you, don't do that. You want to cut a card up, cut up your debit card. That's the one you want to get rid of and destroy. Two horrific problems with the debit card. And that's obviously why they're for people who have no credit. First problem with the debit card is you can't build a credit score. Well, you say, well, Gordy Typo, I don't need a credit score. There's two events in life when you're going to want credit. Buying a car and buying a house. If you don't have a credit score, you are going to pay the top interest to get that car or to get that house. And that's because you use a debit card and not a credit card. The second horrific problem with debit cards, if someone gets a hold of your debit card and your PIN number, they can clean out your bank account and your bank will say, sorry, there's nothing I can do about it. Whereas if someone gets your credit card and makes a purchase, all you have to do is once a month look at your statement. If you see a charge that you don't recognize, you inform the credit card company, and all you're responsible for is $50, not the total wipeout of your bank account because you used a debit card. Or you might say, oh, well, I can, Corey Typo, I can get cash with my debit card. Yes, you can. But look, if you want cash, go to your bank. You got a checking account, and get cash at your bank once a month, once every 3 months, and have enough cash to carry you through. So forget the debit card. It does you no good. In fact, it does you harm.